Hello students, in this video we are going to learn profit and loss. Assume that Ravi buys a book for rupees 50, okay, and he sells that book to Rama for rupees 60. In this case, Ravi bought a book for rupees 50 rupees and he sells it to Rama for 60 rupees. Okay? Here, cost price of a book is rupees 50 and selling price is rupees 60. Okay. Cost price is represented by CP and selling price is represented by SP. Here, as Ravi bought book for rupees 50 rupees and sold it at rupees 60. Here, selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, here he is having a profit of 10 rupees. Okay, so we can write the formula for profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, or in some case, if cost price is greater than selling price, okay, then there will be a loss. So formula for loss is cost price minus selling price. Loss or gain percent. Loss or gain percent are always calculated on the cost price. Okay? Suppose gain percent will be gain by cost price into 100 and loss percent will be equal to loss by cost price into 100. Suppose an article is bought, cost price of an article is rupees 100 and it is sold for rupees 80. Here we can see that cost price is greater than selling price, then therefore there will be a loss. So formula for loss is CP minus SP. Therefore our cost price is 100, then our selling price is 80. Therefore loss is 20. Okay, so loss is rupees 20. Now we find the loss percent, that will be 20 by 100 into 100. Therefore the loss percent will be 20%. Now let's take another situation. Article is bought for rupees 100 okay, and it is sold at rupees 130. So in here selling price is greater than cost price, so there will be a profit or gain. Okay, so profit will be selling price minus cost price. So our selling price is 130 rupees minus cost price is 100. Therefore our profit is 30 rupees 30. Now we find the profit percent. Profit percent will be profit by CP into 100. Now let's put the value 30 by 100 into 100. Therefore the profit percent is 30%. Now let's learn some important formulas which we are going to use in this chapter. Okay. Finding selling price in case of gain or profit, okay, is cost price into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100. Now again selling price in case of loss, cost price into 100 minus loss percent divided by 100. Now cost price in case of gain is 100 divided by 100 plus gain into selling price. Again cost price in case of loss is 100 by 100 minus loss into selling price. Find the cost price when selling price is rupees 470 and loss is 6%. So here we find cost price, okay, which is equals to 100 by 100 minus, here we have loss percent, so we use formula with loss percent into selling price equals to 100 into selling price is 470 divided by 100 minus 6 is 94. So when we solve this we get cost price equals to 500. Rakesh bought 2 wooden almirahs from a wholesaler for rupees 11,000 each. He spent rupees 250 on each of them for polishing. So first almirah, okay, cost price will be rupees 11,500 plus rupees 250. As almirah was bought for rupees 11,500 and rupees 250 was spent for polishing. So the cost price will be 11,500 plus rupees 250. Therefore, the cost price will be 11,750. And for second almirah also, the cost price will be 11,500 rupees plus 250 rupees. The total cost price will be rupees 11,750. Now one of them was sold at gain of 10%. Profit percent is 10 for first almirah. Okay. Now we find out the selling price in case of profit. So we use the formula for selling price in case of profit, which is cost price into 100 plus gain or profit percent divided by 100. Therefore, now we put the values. Okay. Cost price is excuse me, 11,500 plus 100 plus gain percent is 10 divided by 100. Now when we solve this, we get 12,650 rupees. 12,650 is the selling price for first almirah. Now let's find the selling price for second almirah. Here second almirah is sold for the loss of 2%. Okay, so loss 2%. Now we use the formula of finding selling price in case of loss. Therefore, the selling price will be 11,750 into 100 minus 2%, which is the loss, divided by 100. Now 11,750 into 100 minus 2 is 98 divided by 100. So selling price for the second almirah, which was sold at loss 2%, is 11,270. Now the total selling price. Total selling price will be the sum of first and second, sum of the selling price of first and second almirahs. Okay, the first almirah's selling price was 12,650 plus the selling price of second almirah was 11,270. Therefore, we get, when we add these two, we get rupees 23,920. Now, our total cost price for both the almirah was same. Okay, rupees 11,500. Okay, so when we add both the cost price, we get 23 rupees 23,000. Now as we see here, selling price is greater than cost price. So here it will be profit. Now formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. Therefore our profit will be 920. Now we have to find gain or loss percent. So here in this case it is gain, so we find gain percent. Okay. So gain percent will be profit by cost price into 100. Now we put the value, okay, 920 divided by 23,000 into 100. So our profit percent will be 4%. Now let's learn how to apply those formulas. Find the selling price when cost price is rupees 2500 and gain is 1/2%. Now when we solve this gain mixed fraction, we get 11/2%. Whenever gain percent is given in mixed fraction, we have to convert it into proper fraction. Therefore our formula for selling price in terms of gain, okay, in case of gain was cost price into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100. We have cost price rupees 2500, 100 plus gain we have found 11/2 divided by 100. Now 100 one times is 100, 100 25 times is 2500, 25. And now when we solve this, here nothing means 1. We find the LCM of 1 and 2, okay, then it will be 200 plus 11 equals to 25 into 211 divided by 2. Our selling price will be rupees 2637.5, rupees 2637.5.